Sir, what is the Supreme Court's order regarding dump handling?
We had filed an IA, that is interim application, before the Supreme Court to permit us to handle the dump and deal with it according to our policy. So Supreme Court has permitted us to handle the dump, and as a result of which we will be able to now deal with those dumps in accordance with law, and that's a good relief for the state of Goa. We will be able to generate a lot of revenue for the state because of this judgment of the Supreme Court.
How much dump is estimated and how this order is going to impact?
I really don't have the figures right now, but I am sure that it is quite substantial, which will bring in a lot of revenue to the state.
And what is the policy of Goa government in this regard?
That policy, government can have it at any time. There is one policy in place. We are going to see whether that policy is in the interest of the public or not, and then based on that, we'll have to take a call.
Means it will be auctioned again, something like that?
I will have to just check now. There is nothing final on this issue, but by all probabilities, it will be an auction.